Now we will see vector in octave. How to define vector in octave. Consider A equal to into square bracket. Vector is defined into a square bracket 1 space 2 space 3. So it is a row vector. It can also be defined by E equal to square bracket 1 comma 2 comma 3 like this. Column vector can be defined C equal to square bracket 1 semicolon 2 semicolon 3. So it is a column vector. Vector can also be defined as, consider E equal to into square bracket 4 space 5 space 6. Again E equal to into square bracket E space 11. So it is modified by 11. 4, 5, 6 and 11. Another way to write vector in octave is F equal to 1 raised to 10. So it is a row vector of a 10 value by interval of 1. If we define 1 raised to 10, it will take a interval of 1 by default. If you want to define an interval, you can also define it like G equal to 1 raised to 2 raised to 10. So it will be a interval of 2 from 1 to 10. So it is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. You can multiply this vector by any value. Consider G multiplied by 2. So it is, this value is multiplied by 2. 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 2, 2 into 3, 6, 5 into 2, 10 like this. Again define one more vector. Consider H equal to into square bracket 4, 2, 3, 1, 5. So this is the vector. If you multiply two vector, consider G and H. So you have to multiply like this, G dot into H. So it will multiply two vector, G and H. So multiplication of two vector, you have to give this dot. If you not give a dot, it will give a error like this. If you multiply G into H, so it will give a error. So if you want to multiply two vector, you should give a dot in between two vector, G dot multiplication by H. You can add a value into vector like this. 2 is added to a H, so it will be a, this is a H vector, so 2 is added, so its value will be 2 plus 4 6, 2 plus 2 4, 2 plus 2 2 plus 3 5 like this. Consider X equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. So you can write vector to the power also, like X dot raised to 2. So value is like this, 1 raised to 2 1, 2 raised to 2 4, 3 raised to 2 9 like this. You can also write this value by 2 to the power vector. So 2 dot raised to X. So its value will be 2 raised to 1 2, 2 raised to 2 4, 2 raised to 3 8, 2 raised to 4 16. Now we'll create one vector X equal to 1 4 3 5 7. In this octave, the indexing is start from 1 to 1 2 3 4 5 6 like this. So this 1 is at index 1, this 4 is at index 2 like this. So if you want to know what is a index value 3, so you can write X into bracket 3, it will give a index value 3. If you want to know what is the index value 2, so it will give index value 2 is 4. Now if you want to change the index value 2 to 10. So you can write x into bracket 2 equal to 10. So it will change the index value. This 4 is replaced by 10. You can also increase your length of vector by like this, x into bracket 10 equal to minus 8. At 10 it will put a minus 8 and remaining is this 4 is 0. By default it will consider as a 0. You can also change the two values simultaneously like this, x into bracket square bracket. Consider you want to change this 3 index and this 7 index to a equal to 55 and 70. So it will change the 3 and 7 index to a value 55 and 70. So like this. So this 3 index is changed to a 55 and this 7 index is changed to a 70. And if you want to know what is the value between index 3 to 8, so you can write as x into bracket 3 as to 8. So it will give a value which is in between 3 to 8, including 3 and 8. So it is 55 to this 55 to it will be a 8. So these values are 3 to 8 indexing values. Likewise, you can make also a transpose matrix. Consider F equal to 5 as to 2 as to 20. So this is the row vector convert into a transpose vector. So we can convert this row vector into a column vector by a F transpose like this. This is converted into a row to a column vector. Or you can also simply write F equal to into bracket 5 as to 2 as to 20 bracket close and transpose. So it will make a column vector with a value from 5 to 20 with an interval of 2. So these are some vector examples that we have seen in Octave open source software. Thank you very much.